Welcome to the Bathroom Decor channel on YouTube, your ultimate source of inspiration and ideas for transforming your bathroom into a stylish and functional oasis. In this video, we will guide you through the world of bathroom design, IKE bathroom design, showcasing the latest trends, innovative solution and creative tips to help you create a space that reflects your personal style and enhance your daily routine. Let's start with the layout and fixtures. Explore different bathroom layouts and learn how to optimize the use of space. Whether you have a small powder room or a spacious master bathroom, discover the wide range of fixtures available, from sleek modern facts and luxurious shower heads to space saving toilets and stylish vanities. Lighting is key in creating the right atmosphere in your bathroom. Discover the importance of task lighting for grooming activities as well as ambient and accent lighting to set the mood. We will explore various lighting fixtures such as vanity lights, recessed lighting, and decorative sconces that not only provide functionality but also enhance the overall aesthetic. An organized bathroom contributes to a clutter free or serene environment. We will showcase smart storage solutions such as built in cabinets, floating shelves, and vanity organizers that help keep your essential neatly arranged. Explore creative ways to maximize vertical space and make use of often overlooked areas such as bathroom. We will explore accessories and decor elements. Join us on this captivating journey through bathroom decor, where functionality meets style. Whether you are planning a complete bathroom renovation or looking for smile updates, our channel provides endless inspiration and practical advice to help you create the bathroom of your dream. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content, and let's embark on this transformative journey. Please subscribe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.